Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov, and welcome back to Full Stack Ninja. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important concepts in Python programming. Modules. So, what exactly are modules? Well, in simple terms, a module is just a file containing Python code that can be used in other Python programs. Think of it as a way to organize your code and make it reusable. Now, there are two types of modules in Python: built-in modules and external modules. Built-in modules are part of the Python language itself, while external modules are third-party packages that you can install and use in your programs. One of the most common built-in modules is the math module. This module contains a variety of mathematical functions that you can use in your programs, such as calculating square roots, logarithms, and trigonometric functions. You can use these functions by importing the math module into your program and calling the appropriate functions. Pretty cool, right? But what if you need to use a function that's not included in a built-in module? That's where external modules come in. One of the most popular external modules is NumPy. This module provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a large library of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. To use external modules like NumPy, you'll need to install them first using a package manager like pip. Once you've installed the module, you can import it into your program and start using its functions. And that's it for today's video. I hope you've learned a little bit about Python modules and how they can make your programming life a little bit easier. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming content.